Stop before you spend hundreds on bedroom decor. I'm about to show you how to make your small bedroom look like a $500 per night hotel suite for absolutely $0. Your bedroom probably looks cluttered, chaotic, and cheap right now. But here's the secret. You don't need to buy anything. It's all about what you remove and how you rearrange. First tip, declutter ruthlessly. Remove everything from surfaces, your nightstand, dresser, every flat surface. Luxury spaces are minimal. Hide 80% of what's visible. Your nightstand should have max 3 items, a lamp, maybe a small plant, and 1 book. Second, your bed is the star of the show. Center it on your longest wall. Now here's the hotel trick. Fold your duvet or comforter in thirds at the foot of the bed. This is how 5-star hotels do it. Smooth out. Every wrinkle like your life depends on it. Third tip, symmetry equals luxury. Match everything on both sides of your bed. Same nightstands, same lamps, same height, same spacing. Our brains are wired to see symmetry as expensive and intentional. Asymmetry screams, I just put stuff wherever. Fourth, if you can see it, it's making your room look cheap. Hide phone chargers, cables, laundry baskets, shopping bags, everything. Use underbed storage, drawer organizers, or stick stuff in your closet. Out of sight, out of mind. Visible clutter is the enemy of luxury. Fifth, lighting is everything. Turn off that harsh overhead light right now. It's making your room look like a hospital. Use only lamps, bedside lamps, floor lamps, whatever you have. Warm, soft, layered lighting. If you have curtains, open them during the day for natural light. Close them at night for coziness. Sixth, stick to 3 colors maximum. Luxury isn't rainbow chaos. Pick a main color, add a neutral like white or beige, and 1 accent. Remove anything that doesn't fit this palette. This creates instant visual harmony. Seventh, show your floor. Nothing on the floor except furniture legs. No clothes, shoes, bags, or random items. Visible floor space makes any room look bigger and more expensive. This one change alone will transform your space. Eighth, use your walls. Hang something above your bed. A piece of art, a mirror, photos, in matching frames. Whatever you already have. This draws the eye up and makes your ceiling feel higher. Just make sure it's centered and at least 2/3 the width of your bed. Ninth, add texture without buying anything. Layer what you have, fold a throw blanket, fluff your pillows differently, drape a scarf. Different textures create depth. Even if everything is the same color, varied textures make it look rich and curated. Last tip, the smell. Open your windows for 10 minutes before filming or guests. Fresh air is the most luxurious scent. If you have any candles or room spray, use it sparingly. Hotels smell clean and subtle, not like a Bath & Body Works exploded. Here's the final result. Same bedroom, same furniture, $0 spent. Just decluttering, rearranging, and styling what you already own. Your small bedroom now looks like it belongs in an interior design magazine. All without spending a single penny. If this helped you, save this video so you can reference it later. Follow for more $0 home transformations. And comment below, which tip are you trying first? Let me know.